Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel A Square Academy. Now in this video we are going to continue with a stored function example, okay, that we have already studied into the previous video, right? And here we are going to see the next example of the functions in database management system, okay. So here we are having a question like, see here there is a question of a stored function. Write a stored function to update the income of all the persons living in urban area by 20%. Okay. Try and understand the question, what it is telling. We have to update. What we have to do? We have to update the income of all the person living in urban area. Compulsory it is telling what? Area type must be urban. Okay, and how many tables do we need here? Area type is in area table, and obviously person is in person table, right? And income is again in the person table. That means what, we need two tables again over here. One is person and the another one is area. You have to identify how many tables are needed by this query. Okay, so here we need two tables, one is person and the another one is what? Area, right? And understand what we have to ask a function to perform. We are telling the function that please update the income of the persons those belong to urban area type by 20%. Okay. Now you can see one example I have taken over here. Person, income and area type are the column name or the attributes of this table. Rahul is the value, 50,000 is the income and area type is what? Urban. Similarly, Ravi is the person whose income is 60,000 and area type is what? Rural. Area type is what? Rural. So we have to update. Whose income we have to update? We have to update Rahul's income, whose area type is urban, because in the question it is compulsorily asked us that we have to update the person who lives in urban area. So here you can see Rahul is the person who lives in urban area, and what is the income of Rahul? It is 50,000, and we have to increase, means what? Already present income, we have to add 20% of that income into that already present income. So basically here you can see 20% of 50,000 is what? 10,000. So we have to add this 10,000 into this 50,000. We have to add this 10,000 into the 50,000. Then how we are going to write the query for this? How we are going to write the query? We are going to write update. Okay. Since we need to update, we are going to use this DML command update. Okay, update. What we have to update? We have to update income, and income is in person table. So here you can see, I can show you the table. So here you can see person table here. Okay, person table is having income, and we need to update this income where the area type is अर्बन. ओके, इनकम हमें अपडेट करना है जो एरिया टाइप अर्बन है. ऐसे पर्सन की इनकम हमें अपडेट करना है जिसका एरिया टाइप अर्बन है, जिसका एरिया टाइप अर्बन है. तो हियर यू कैन सी लातूर. लातूर इज द एरिया नेम. जस्ट गो एंड चेक इन द एरिया टेबल. एरिया नेम लातूर and its area type is what? Urban. So basically here the person who lives in Latur, those incomes will be updated or increased by 20%. Will be increased by 20%. Okay. So here update person. Okay. Person table. What we have to do? We have to set the value. So set keyword is used over here. Set. What we have to set? Income. Right. Income. Since income is the column name, you have to set the income is equals to already available income. Whatever value is there for this particular column, that we have to write. Income is equals to income plus 20% of income. So like this we have to write income multiplied by 0.2, right? So here you can see 20% means what? It is 0.2 multiplied by, of means what? Multiplication. Okay, this can be written as, I can show you here. Okay, this is like this, 0.2 multiplied by 50,000. Okay, and the output here is nothing but 10,000. So this 10,000, this income star 0.2, this income star 0.2, the value is 10,000. It will be added into the already available value, that is 50,000. So here it will be 50,000 plus 10,000, that is nothing but 60,000. Okay, so here, since we are needing two table, so definitely here we are going to write the from clause, from, okay, from area, जो दूसरा टेबल है उसका नाम लिखना है फ्रॉम एरिया. नेक्स्ट वेयर, राइट, वेयर एरिया डॉट एरिया नेम, दिस इज द प्राइमरी की ऑफ द एरिया टेबल. एरिया नेम इज इक्वल्स टू, परसेंट के टेबल में भी उसका हमने फॉरेन के लिया है, राइट. तो परसेंट डॉट एरिया नेम, राइट, परसेंट डॉट एरिया नेम, where area dot a name is equals to percent dot a name, right, and area type, what we have written, just check, area type, area underscore type is equals to urban. Okay, urban and semicolon. मैं ये अलग से क्यों लिख के बता रही हूँ? फर्स्ट वी नीड टू चेक, आपको समझना है कि क्वेरी क्या है. देन आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस क्वेरी इनटू द फंक्शन. ओके, हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे अपडेट की क्वेरी लिखा. अपडेट एक आपका डीएमएल कमांड है. हमने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे पर्सन के इनकम को अपडेट करना है. दैट्स वाई अपडेट पर्सन, पर्सन ये टेबल का नाम है. ओके, दिस इज द टेबल नेम. वी हैव टू सेट द income value to new income value, that is nothing but income plus income star 0.2 from area, where area dot a name is equals to percent dot a name. This is nothing but the mapping condition specified over here. This is what the mapping condition, and it is compulsory said that the area type must be urban. So that is only here, and area type is equals to urban. Let's copy this. Let's see what happens if this query is executed successfully. I'm just going to right click and paste it over here. Just check. So here you can see, yes, without an error it is giving update 2. Let's see, select star from person. Okay, select star from person. So here you can see those who were staying in urban area like Latur. Okay, Latur, it has been updated to 60,000, and another one it is updated to 48,000. Let's see what was the previous value over here. Sorry, what was the previous value? So here you can see this is the previous value, right? This, right, income is what, 50,000, it is updated to 60,000, and it is 40,000, it is updated to 48,000. So yes, this query is working. Now this query we are going to put into a function. Okay, let's create a function. As I said, you create or replace function. Okay, function का name we have to give function example 2, right? Suppose here we are user is declaring one variable called as a type. ठीक है, that means what, when we call the function, area type will be given to the function. Okay, and suppose here I am giving it as varchar. Okay, varchar 20, complete the bracket, returns, since function returns something, तो रिटर्न डेटा टाइप. क्या रिटर्न कराने वाले हो उसको? टेक्स्ट लो, इंटीजर लो, वॉइड लो, इट इज अप टू यू. ओके, देन हियर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट $. नेक्स्ट डिक्लेयर. ओके, डिक्लेयर Okay, then begin, and here we are going to type the query. This is what the query. I am going to copy the query and I am going to paste it over here. Okay, I am going to paste it over here. And here this is area type is equal to, as I said, that left hand side is the attribute of your table and right hand side is the local variable which user has declared into this function. Okay, so here this area type, you can see this one, this is the user defined variable for this particular function. So I am just taking it over here. Clear? Then here suppose here return suppose we can type, or here we can declare one variable count. Okay, it is of type integer is equals to, we are initializing it with 0. Okay, integer is equals to 0 and semicolon, and here if I return, since I have to return something, that's why I am returning it over here. Then enter, and here end of the loop and semicolon, then $, here I am going to write language. Okay, and here PL PG SQL single quotes complete and semicolon. Okay, now here you can see the income is what, 60,000. Okay, Latur is 60,000 and again the Latur is 48,000. Now this value will be updated. Okay, this value will be updated. 60 का 20% इंक्रीमेंट होके उसका 20% निकाल के उसमें ऐड किया जाएगा. ओके, 60 में ऐड किया जाएगा. राइट, लेट्स कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इट ओवर देयर. Copy and here right click and paste, enter. Since no error, then create function has come over here. Right, next is what we are going to call the function select. Select function का नाम, fun function का नाम _ex2. right, and in bracket we are providing the type, since we need to update urban wala, right, area type, then semicolon, enter. So here you can see this calling is successful. Okay, this calling is successful. Now let's see, select star from person. ठीक है, लातूर का जो 60% था, देखते हैं हम लोग अपडेट हुआ या नहीं हुआ. तो ऑब्वियसली वो अपडेट हुआ. यू कैन सी लातूर इज अपडेटेड टू 72,000 और नीचे का लातूर इज अपडेटेड टू 57,600. So this is how the update query is going to work. Okay, I hope you all have understood how to update certain value of the attribute using function. So basically we have to remember here, create statement is important, create command is important for creating a function. Okay, since it is a function, it is going to return something. Okay, because we are asking a function to perform certain task and to give the output. Okay, that's why it is definitely going to return something. And here declare we are going to declare in the declaration section whatever variable we want, we will be using into a function, that into a executing block, that those are declared over here. Then begin and end, this is going to, in this the executable part will come. Okay, and PLPG SQL tells us that this function is implemented in PLPG SQL language. Okay, I hope you all have understood the example of how to create the stored function. Okay, how to pass the parameters to the function. If you want more example related to function, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.